So, my dear students, today we will read Lesson 4, the poem My Own True Family by Ted Hughes. First of all, we should know about the poet. So, dear students, Ted Hughes, as all we know, look at the book. Ted Hughes, we all know that he was a modern poet, a very famous poet who was awarded Poet Laureate. Do you know what Poet Laureate is? Yeah, Poet Laureate is very prestigious award and it was given to Ben Jonson and next it was given to Ted Hughes. Ted Hughes' special poem My True Family that we have to read. So first of all, what we should do is to concentrate on the poem. So students, look at your textbook. First of all, I am going to read it aloud. Once I crept in an oak wood. I was looking for a stag. I met an old woman there, all knobby stick and rag. She said, I have your secret here inside my little bag. Then she began to cackle, and I began to quack. She opened up her little bag, and I came twice awake, surrounded by a staring tribe and me tied to a stake. They said, we are the oak trees and your own true family. We are chopped down, we are torn off. You do not blink an eye unless you make a promise now. Now you are going to die. Whenever you see an oak tree felled, swear now you will plant too. Unless you swear the black oak bark will wrinkle over you and root you among the oaks where you were born but never grew. This was my dream beneath the boughs, the dream that altered me. When I came out of Oakwood, back to human company, my walk was the walk of a human child, but my heart was a tree. Yes, look at the poem. This poem is very sensitive one. Actually, the poet here wants to say about the importance of afforestation. The poet here tells that a child, that is the poet, one day he went to an oak wood in search of a deer, stag. Look at stag. Stag means male deer. In search of a deer. There he met a weak, feeble old woman. What was she doing? She had a bag within her and she told to the boy that she had secret in the bag. But she wanted to tell all the secrets. But after saying this, the old lady began to cackle. What does the word cackle means? Cackle means to laugh at in such a way that the person in front of that one will be terrified. And so happened to the boy. Now the poet became very curious. He was a little bit terrified too. Now the next stanza, look at this next stanza. Then she began to cackle and began to quack. She opened up her little bag and I came twice awake, surrounded by staring tribe, me tied to a stake. Suddenly, what did the poet see? The poet saw that strange tribes just tied him all around him. He couldn't go to anywhere. He wanted to run away from that place, but he was unable to do. Why? Because some strange tribes just tied him. What did the strange tribes say? They said, we are the oak trees and your own true family. Look, we are the oak tree. Means Actually, the tribes were none, not the normal human being. They symbolizes the oak trees. Oak trees became, here oak trees has been personalized. Why? Because the poet, through these oak trees, actually what the poet want to say here, that we the human being are too much cruel towards nature. We never think twice to cut down trees, to chop trees for the sake of our pleasure. We never bother to do all these inhuman activities. সো এই কথাগুলোই কিন্তু কবি বোঝাতে চেয়েছিলেন। কিভাবে? যে অ্যাকচুয়ালি দ্য ট্রাইবস ওয়ার নট স্ট্রেঞ্জ কমিউনিটি, did not belong to the strange community. They are the personalized of the trees. এবং এরা কি বলছে? এরা বলছে the poetকে, and they forced the poet. What? Now promise me that whenever you are going to kill a single tree, you will have to plant 2 trees. Why? Because you should know that you and we, মানে তোমরা এবং আমরা দুজনে মিলে কিন্তু we belong to this a whole family. My own true family means a family where both the trees and the human beings belong. Human beings and trees are interrelated. So if human beings depend on trees, if trees depend on human beings, then why human beings are so cruel to the trees? They should not be cruel. So here what the poet actually wants to say here is that we the human beings should promise that whenever we are going to cut down trees for the sake of our pleasure, we should plant 2 or 3 more trees, because deforestation is harmful for the sake of the society. So, and if the poet did not make such a promise, then what would the tribe do? They would kill the poet. They would not allow him to go back to his own place. They threatened to kill him, yes, and the poet was very much scared. And suddenly what happened? Suddenly the poet saw that actually what he was thinking was not actually the activities that took place in front of him. He was just dreaming. Suddenly when he woke up from his bed, he realized that all these happened to his dreams. He became very much perplexed. He was speechless, and a strange thought came in his mind. What was the thought? Look at the text again, the last stanza. This was my dream beneath the boughs, the dream that altered me when I came out of the oak wood back to human company. My work was the work of a human child, but my heart was a tree. মানে যখন কবি দেখছেন যে ঘুম থেকে উঠলেন উনি, ওনার এই যে রিয়েলাইজেশন, একটা অদ্ভুত রিয়েলাইজেশন হলো তার মধ্যে। কী রিয়েলাইজেশন হলো? যে মানুষ এবং গাছপালা দুটোই ইন্টাররিলেটেড টু ইচ আদার। তাই আমি হিউম্যান বিইং, কিন্তু আমার হার্টটা অদ্ভুতভাবে ট্রি। তার মানে আই অ্যাম ভেরি মাচ কনসার্নড অ্যাবাউট নেচার। My heart felt love towards nature. This is what the poem tells us about. It is here through this poem, the poet actually tells us how trees are important in our lives. So for the sake of our lives, we should take proper care of them. We should plant trees, and we should always be conscious about our cruel activities, not to do such activities. So dear students, now at the end of the poem, we will give some notes, word notes. You will have to memorize all these, and And in our next class, we will discuss about the symbolism, about the images that are used in the poem. Today, I will give you a task, that is just read the poem aloud, read the poem silently, comprehend it, and write down in your own words the summary of the poem. Thank you.